October 10th, today we celebrate a rising torch in reggae history. Born in 1992 in Spanish Town, Jamaica, Jamar Rolando McNaughton came into the world to be known by many as Chronixx. With roots in his father's legacy, he embraced music from early age, but chose his own path, emerging conscious lyrics, soulful melodies, and the fire of the reggae revival movement. From Smile Jamaica to Majesty, his sound resonates not just in Jamaica, but across continents, lighting hearts and inspiring new generations. So today, we send a massive happy birthday to the youth visionary. Drop your favorite Chronixx song in the comments and let's amplify the vibration upward.
From Queen of Sheba comes David second. Don't notify the Vatican and
we'll tell the people up to and the one them downtown. The general con roll. String up your big bag.